Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and taking a targeted first step. Charge the Ultra 9 to between 50% and 80% and connect the original cable. This stabilizes power during repair. Once charged, back up your settings through the companion app so you can restore configurations later. Now perform a force restart. Hold the crown and side button together for 10 to 15 seconds until the logo appears. This clears transient software, hangs, and reveals whether deeper steps are needed. Once the restart completes, you move into diagnostic checks to find the root cause. Open Settings then System, or use the companion app and run the built-in diagnostics to test sensors, Bluetooth, and LTE. Make a quick physical inspection. Clean charging contacts, check the crown for grit, and inspect the display for cracks. If tests flag software errors, use recovery mode to reinstall the firmware. This replaces corrupted system files while preserving basic data if possible. You finish by restoring functionality and preparing fallback options. If diagnostics and firmware reinstall work, restore your backup and confirm all sensors and connectivity operate normally. If problems persist or hardware damage appears, arrange a certified battery or display replacement. This avoids voiding warranties. Make sure to factory reset only as a last resort, and if you still see errors, capture exact error codes and system logs. Then contact support with that information for expedited.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.